Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is John Watts. I'm a consumer protection lawyer. And Bookface left a great comment, I thought, a great question, and I wanted to do a video on this. And so the question is, what FCRA, that's Fair Credit Reporting Act, law is broken when I dispute an inquiry that does not belong to me with the CRAs, that's the consumer reporting agencies like Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. And their written response says, contact the furnisher or the original creditor to dispute inquiries, and they will not investigate or delete an inquiry. So it's a great question. We see this with all the bureaus, particularly with TransUnion. They normally will say something like, this is a factual matter, and therefore we cannot dispute, which is like saying, I'm wearing black socks, so I can't fix this, or I'm wearing sandals, so there's nothing I can, it has nothing to do with it. So to specifically answer the question, when we're dealing with an inquiry, so somebody's pulled our credit report that does not belong to us, okay, and let's make sure that we're talking about something that is truly a wrong inquiry, okay, so that could be a hard pull, hard inquiry, where the car dealership says we applied for a loan. We're like, I've never been to that car dealership. Or the mortgage company pulls our credit report for a hard credit pull and we say, I never applied. I never asked them to do this. Or if it's a soft pull, which does not affect our score, but maybe it's a company that, we had a Discover card and we discharged that in bankruptcy and they keep pulling our report for account reviews. Okay, so we have to make sure that we are 100% on solid ground that this is not a proper inquiry. Then we dispute it, okay? And anytime we dispute stuff with the credit bureaus, we're talking about section 1681I. Just remember, I is for investigation or reinvestigation. And that says if we challenge any information, we challenge the accuracy of it, the completeness of it, then the bureaus must investigate. And if they decide, you know what? We're not going to investigate anybody whose first name is Bob. Well, you know what? That's on them. And they get sued for that. We're not going to investigate any claim about Capital One. Well, guess what? You get sued for that. Or if they say, we're not going to investigate any inquiries. Guess what? You get sued for that. So what I would do is look and see exactly how did you dispute it. So is there any doubt that you disputed it, any doubt that that dispute made it to the credit bureaus, the fact that you're getting letters back saying we won't investigate, that's a pretty good, but let's go through the process. Did I dispute? Can I prove that the bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion got that? Can I prove that the information is wrong? It's inaccurate, it's incomplete, it needs to come off my credit report. And then can I prove that they refuse to do that? If so, then we're looking at a 1681I claim. We may also be looking at a 1681E and then parentheses B. That's the maximum possible accuracy. In other words, the bureaus are told, credit reporting agencies are told, you must have reasonable procedures in place. Why? To assure maximum possible accuracy. Well, if they're letting just anybody pull our credit reports without going through the proper process, then they may be violating that section of the law. Now, it gets a little ironic. Some places like the 11th Circuit where I practice, which covers Georgia, Florida, Alabama, we have to show that there was publication of our credit report. In other words, somebody other than us saw our credit report and saw that credit pull on there. But the point is, definitely get with a lawyer. If you feel like you've taken those steps, you've done a dispute, the bureaus have gotten it, and there's no question that you're right on this, and no question that they refuse to fix it, then I would get with a lawyer who does the FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, and see about suing them. Sometimes lawyers, I've never understood, kind of my fellow Fair Credit Reporting Act lawyers, sometimes say, well, we're not interested in inquiries. Why not? I mean, it seems like we always have cases against creditors and furnishers of information for doing illegal credit pulls. And we can also sue the bureaus when they refuse to fix those. Those are very good cases. This is my private information. And the bureau who stands guard at the door, remember, I don't have any choice whether Equifax, Experian, TransUnion has my information. So I'm trusting them to safeguard it. They're standing at the door and just some random person walks up there. Oh, sure, come on in, take all the information. And then I go, guys, you shouldn't have done that. Well, first of all, I may sue them just for that. But second of all, when I give them a chance to fix it and they refuse to fix it, that's a pretty good case. So I hope that helps you. And, if you want to get in contact with me, you can look at the description on this or just go to alabamaconsumer.com and, kind of give me some more details about your situation. And I'll help you any way that I can, whether that's directly helping you or trying to help you find a lawyer. Maybe that's close to you. And so appreciate the question, and I hope everybody that watched this found it useful, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.